Today, we're going to share with you one of the most transformative concepts we've learned in our lives. A concept that has helped us become millionaires. It's time to challenge a toxic idea that has been ingrained in society. That making money quickly is somehow a bad thing. You've probably heard the term, get rich quick, and associated it with shady dealings, scams, and illegal activities. But let's pause for a moment and reconsider. When someone asks, is this a get-rich-quick scheme? Our response should be, I hope so. Why? Because we don't have the luxury of waiting to get rich slowly. Wealth isn't merely measured by the amount of money in your bank account. It's measured in time. Let's consider this example. If you earn $25,000 per year and work for 40 years, you will have made $1 million. Impressive, right? But are you truly rich? Not really. Why? Because it took you 40 long years to accumulate that $1 million. Now, let's examine a different scenario. Imagine you still make $1 million, but instead of it taking you 40 years, you earn that same amount within just 12 months, within 1 year. Are you rich now? Absolutely. You've become a millionaire. What's the difference? It's the same $1 million. But the crucial distinction lies in the time it took to make it. Here's the beauty of making money relatively quickly. You gain more time to enjoy it. Rather than waiting until you're 65 years old to start enjoying your wealth, and having perhaps a mere decade to enjoy it, why not start enjoying it at an earlier stage in life? Imagine having 30, 40, 50, or even 60 years to relish the rewards of your hard work. That's the true difference. So, let's break free from the misconception that rapid financial success is inherently negative. Embrace the possibility of achieving your financial goals in a shorter time frame, and open up a world of extended opportunities for yourself. Remember, it's not about the amount of time it takes to accumulate wealth. It's about maximizing the time you have to savor and benefit from it. That's the key to understanding wealth. It's not just about how much money you make, but how quickly you can make it. Let's push our thinking even further. What if you could make $1 million every month? Yes, you heard that right, $1 million per month. The person who achieves that level of income is 12 times richer than the individual making $1 million a year. They are also a staggering 480 times richer than the person earning $25,000 per year for 40 long years. That's the magnitude of the difference. This is why wealthy individuals like us place a higher value on time rather than solely on money. Poorer individuals tend to prioritize money over time. That's why, when it comes to mundane tasks like an oil change or running errands, we choose not to do them ourselves. It's simply not worth our valuable time. We have other activities that can generate more money. You might be thinking, well, it's easy for you to say that, because you're financially well off. Of course, you can afford to prioritize your time. But that's not the whole truth. We became rich when we started valuing our time. Most people never achieve wealth because they fail to recognize the value of their own time. So, let's take a moment to reflect on this. Do you want to build wealth quickly? Or do you want to settle for a slow and gradual approach? Consider whether you even have the luxury of time to pursue the latter. Time is a finite resource, and we must make the most of it. The choice is yours. Do you want to seize opportunities and create financial abundance in a shorter time frame? Or do you want to risk running out of time, forever stuck in the cycle of slow progress? Remember, it's not just about making money. It's about making it efficiently. Value your time, make the most of it, and embrace the potential for accelerated wealth creation. Once you grasp this concept, your life will be transformed. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.